Find or read reviews that people are talking of YEESTEK Dash Cam Dashcam for cars with Wi-Fi 1080p. Why you choose YEESTEK Dash Cam Dashcam? Below are some reasons why you should choose. Full HD 1080p dashcam and 170-degree wide angle. The equipped front car dash camera can capture the road conditions within 200 meter ahead at 1920p x 1080p. And the 170-degree wide angle allows you to have a sweeping view of the surroundings. It is your superior choice for driver. Dash camera Wi-Fi. Mini dash camera has excellent concealment and will not distract you. Connect the RoadCam app on your mobile phone via Wi-Fi so that you can clearly see the content recorded by the camera on the mobile phone. Note, you will not see anything when the Wi-Fi connection is disconnected. Note, the SD card is not included in case. Night vision and GPS. The driving recorder accurately records the real-time speed, time, and your driving position in the video file through the GPS module. The combination of f2.2 large aperture and 6 glass lens helps to get clearer videos and images from the recording in low light condition. Dashcam will become your important evidence while driving. Safer supercapacitor. Supercapacitors are safer than traditional battery technology, avoiding the hidden danger of battery expansion and possible explosion. Supercapacitors can adapt to more extreme temperatures and have a longer lifespan than batteries. G-sensor and loop recording. The G-sensor is a great feature that if any sudden braking or bumps caused an accident, the footage will get locked and saved. The earliest image will be covered to continue recording when the microSD card is full, but the locked video will not be covered, and you need to clean up the memory regularly. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.